Good morning. It is Monday, April 27th, and this is math lesson 10.6. I'm going to try something a little different, so hopefully I got in close enough. Today, you're going to need a hundreds chart. Now, we did put a hundreds chart in your one of your Ziploc bags. I'm guessing, hoping the math bag. But otherwise, there is, if you don't see it, there is one in the back of your math journal. In the back page of your math journal, there's a hundreds chart for you to use if you need to. And then you also will need a calculator. So if you want to grab those two, pause it and grab those two things. You can do that right now. But otherwise, then I'm going to start. All right, so let's see how this goes. Hopefully you can see this. We're going to do something called making change. Now, we have done this, okay? We did do that. We were doing this in calendar every day before spring break. So, making change. You bought plums for 69 cents. So, I'm going to write that so you can see it bigger. 69 cents. And you paid with $1. Do you remember doing this now? What is your change? So, what you did was we went to the hundreds chart. We had a hundreds chart on the smartboard and we went up to 100. So, we count by tens, right? So, we do our hopping. So, we go 10, 20, 30, and then we count by ones, 31. So how many hops is it from 69 to 100? And it's 31. So your change would be 31 cents. And remember, that's the C with the line through it behind the 31. Okay, let's try our next one. Make sure I get it in there. Okay, all right. You bought celery for 64 cents. You paid with $1. What is your change? So again, where are you going to start? And where are you going to end when you're hopping with your hundreds chart? Okay, so I'm going to give you a minute to do that. Okay, here I go. So start at the 64 and hop to 100. So I go 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 is my change. All right. Then I want to point something out really quickly so you can see this. 6 plus 4 is 10, right? 60 plus 30 is 90. 90 plus 10 gives me my 100. All right, so some of you can do this in your head. Okay, let's go to our next one. Let's do another practice one. Make sure I've got it in the picture. Okay, you bought tuna for 47 cents. You paid with $1. What is your change? Okay, I'll give you a minute to try this one. Okay, and if you need to pause it, you can pause it if you weren't quite there yet, but I'm going to do it. So we're at 47 and we're going to hop to 100. So we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. 53 cents is my change. Again, 7 plus 3 is the 10. 40 plus 50 is 90. 90 plus 10 is $1. Okay, let's do our next one. Make sure it's in the picture. Okay. You bought hamburger buns for 42 cents. You paid with $1. What is your change? Okay, here we go. Start at that 42. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Hopefully you got 58 cents as your answer. If you didn't, just go back and try it again and see, okay? All right, next we're gonna go back. We started this last week and we were doing adding money amounts on the calculator. So now I'm gonna move my hundreds chart and I'm gonna get my calculator. So let's see if I can get it to turn the way I need it to turn and make sure you can see this. okay? Oh, I see we got a little bit of a glare, but looks like we should be okay with this part of it. All right, so adding money amounts on the calculator. So now if you don't have your calculator yet, I'm gonna have you pause it and go grab it. Okay, so now we're gonna put in money totals. Now we have something that's a little bit different this week. So this one is $1.99, and this one is 59 cents. And it's like, oh, well, we can't just put 59 into the calculator, because look at, if we do that, that's a huge number, okay? So I'll show you. If we did 1.99 plus 59, oh, guess what? All of a sudden we get $60.99, and that wouldn't be way too much money. So what we have to do when we have 59 cents like that, we say to ourselves, do we have any dollars? No, right? So what you do is you do 0.59. Okay, so the total cost. So down here you would put 1.99 plus 0.59, because we don't have any dollars, we only have 59 cents. Then we clear our calculator a couple times, and now we're going to put in 1.99 plus 0.59, and that equals $2.58, which is our correct answer. Okay, I hope that makes sense, but we're going to try a couple more. All right, now this one does not have that same situation where you have to put a 0 and a decimal point. This is $1 and $2.99. So we would put our $1, 1.00. And if you want to be doing this on a notebook page, I just thought of that now. You might want to pause it and grab a notebook yourself. $2.99, we put our 2.99. Okay, then we come over here to our calculator and we do 1.00. Okay, so everybody see that? $1 plus 2.99, which equals, and you might have been able to do this one in your head, 3.99, but I just want you to do a little practice. Okay, let's do our next one. Oh, we've got our 69 cents with no dollars. Okay, so let's see if we remember what we did from before. Okay, so we have hamburger buns for 69 cents and saltines for 69 cents. So I'm going to put 69 cents here so you can see it, it's a little bigger. Okay, then here's what we're going to do. Do we have any dollars? No. So we do 0.69. And again here, do we have any dollars? No. 0.69. And that's how we add it. So and then we have to make sure we do that 0. 0.69 plus 0.69 equals, and we get $1.38. So just making sure you get your decimal point in there. All right, let's try another one. Okay, all right. I'm gonna clear my calculator. This one is $1.69, just so you can see it a little bigger, and then I have some ketchup for $1.09. All right, so what I actually put into the calculator for the grape jelly is 1.69 plus 1.09. Now I'm gonna let you guys do this one. Okay, I'll give you a minute, or if you want to pause it. Okay, here we go. 1.69 plus 1.09 equals, and you get an answer of $2.78. Okay. All right, let's see, I think we have a couple more. Good practice for us. Here's our next one. So we have yogurt for $2.09 and cheese for $1.49. Okay, so think about what you're gonna put in the calculator. So you put in the 2 decimal point 09 plus 1 decimal point 49. And I'll give you a minute to do that. Remember to push the equals, okay? Now, if you aren't there yet, go ahead and pause me. So I'm going to do 2 decimal point 09 plus 1 decimal point 49 equals. And I get $3.58. Now, a couple things that you can always check on this is to see if if you're getting it right. You have a $2 and a $1, so oh, yeah, it's going to be $3. And now 9 cents and 49 cents would definitely not be over another dollar, so that $3 should be right. The other thing you can always check is the end number. So if you have 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, so it should end with the 8 because of the 18. Okay, I think we have a couple more. Let's try the next one. Oh, here we got one. This is a good one. This one is $2.39, and this one is 99 cents. So take a second and think about how are we going to write that and then put it into the calculator. Okay, so we'd have the 2 decimal point 39 plus, I say to myself, I don't have any dollars, so I have 0 decimal point 99. Okay, give you a minute to put that into your calculator. Okay, here we go. 2 decimal point 39 plus 0 decimal point 99 equals, and I get $3.38. Okay, I hope you got that. And it looks like we have one more to go. Let's try one more. Here we go. So we have peanut butter. Oh, here's my calculator. We have peanut butter for $1.29. Oh, and we have that 99 cents again for the bread. So 99 cents. So think about how am I going to do that? So putting in the calculator, I put a 1 decimal point 29, and I put in a, yes, 0 decimal point 99. Okay, I'll give you a minute to add that on your calculator. Okay, so we have 1 decimal point 29 plus 0 decimal point 99 equals. And you get an answer of $2.28. Okay, that is our math lesson for the day today. And if you want to go do some math fact practice, do some math fact practice. We'll see you tomorrow.